Okay, what is area of square? Just keep writing down in your notebook. Write down today's date. Write down who is teaching, name of the faculty, time 5:30. Which day it is, which time it is. You should know everything. Just write down the answers. Area of square is equal to side square. तुमने homework किया? Homework किया? कल मैंने क्या बताया था? कल तुम थे क्लास में? क्या प्रैक्टिस करना था? लिखा? लिखा होगा जब मैं देखें. Okay, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Correct? Just write down. Next, write down area of right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Got it? Area of circle is equal to area of circle. खाली formulas लिखो. Answer चाहिए मुझे. Area of circle is equal to क्या है उत्तर? Pi r square. Next, circumference of circle is equal to circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Written. Next, volume of cube is equal to side cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to 6 into side square. Total surface area of cube is equal to total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. वो कहाँ गया कल? इसको बुलाओ. सौरभ बोलो, area of rectangle formula क्या है?
Area of rectangle
length into breadth. Height आएगा? नहीं आएगा. क्यों नहीं आएगा? Cuboid हो जाएगा, वो 3D हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Okay, write down the first question quick. Find the radius and area. Find radius and area of circle whose circumference is equal to whose circumference is 132 centimeter and the second one is 22 meter. Find it out. What do you have to find? Radius and area. 22. Yes, anyone getting the answer? Okay, look at this, everyone. Eyes on the board. They have given something in the question. What they have given? Circumference of a circle is given. The first is how much? 132 centimeter. Answer on the first one. The second one you are going to do it. Okay. Now check what is the formula for circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula that you have written in your notebook, right? Okay. So what is the C value? Your circumference, how much they have given? So can I say this is 132 is equal to 2 into what is the value of pi? Pi value is 22 by 7 into r. What is their demand in the question? Find the radius and the find the radius of the circle and the area. So can I find the radius here? Right. So what happens to this 7 and 2? Everything goes here. Look at this. I'll write like this: 132 into 7 whole divided by 2 into 22 is equal to R. Can I write it like this? Yeah. Now tell me, can I cancel this? 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 6 are 12. Next, 11 6 are 66. 11 2s are 22. 66 into 7 is how much? 42. Or you can say 42 का half कितना हो गया? 21. So this 21 is the radius. You all understand? Now check it whether it is centimeter, millimeter or meter. So what is the radius I am getting? 21 centimeter. Next I have to find the area. What is area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the radius I get? 21 into 21. Can I cancel this? 7 ones are 7 3s are. 3 into 22 is 66. You multiply 66 into 21, that will give you the area. You find the radius also and you find the area also. Start doing it now. First question I have done it. Second one you should do it by yourself. कॉपी नहीं करना, क्या तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ था? क्या चाहिए तुमको? क्वेश्चन चाहिए या फिर आंसर्स देखना है? Completed. What is the area you got? 1386 what? Meter. Area will be always in centimeter square, otherwise meter square or millimeter square. Volume will be in meter cube, centimeter cube or millimeter cube, whatever it is. Cube mein aayega. Okay, shall we move forward now? What is the next data they have given? Circumference is how much? You got it? Try to do the next one. Circumference they have given 22 meter. I know the formula for circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. So instead of C, I am going to write 22. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now 22 gets cancelled. I get radius as 3.5 r. The radius is 3.5 meter. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So radius I got. Now area I have to find. What is the area formula? Pi r square. This is 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. Right? So 7 ones are 7 fives are. So how much you get now? 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 ones are 2 11s are. Multiplying 11 into 35 and divide it by 10, you get the answer. Find out how much you get. 350 plus 35, 385. That means 38.5. 38.5. Yeah. Yeah. You are correct. Yeah, I sent it. Okay. 38.5 meters square. Is it right? Second question also done? Yeah. Take down the next question. Find the radius. Find radius and circumference of a circle whose area is first one 154 centimeters square and the second one 6.16 meters square. Find the radius and the circumference. Okay, what to do in this question? They are asking you to find the radius and they are asking you to find the circumference. But what is given in this question? What is given in this question? Area.
Area.
So what is area of circle is equal to? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. ये कितना दिया है? 154. मतलब ये area कितना है? So I will write 154 is equal to pi value कितना है? 52 by 7 into r square. Is it right? Okay. Now 7 goes in, 52 comes down. That means 154 into 7 divided by 22 is equal to r square. Now divide it by 2. You get 2 11s are 2 7s are 40. 2 7s are 11 1s are 11 7s are 7 into 7 is how much? 49. When I'm solving, I should be on the board. समझ में आया? फिर बोलते समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर वापस ऊपर नीचे करो. Okay, 7 into 7 gives you how much? 49. This is equal to how much? R square. But this is radius square. I want the radius. So what is the next step? Taking square root on both sides. What is square root of 49? Okay, it's just like this. So now this is 7 is equal to R. So what is the radius you got? 7. So one part of the question is done. Second part, they are asking you to find the circumference. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r square cube. 2 pi r. What is the answer? 2 pi r. So now this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 2 into 22 gives me 44. Now check the units. Have they given in centimeter or meter? Area they have given in centimeter square. Circumference will be in centimeter. Radius will be in centimeter. This is the answer for the first one. Do the second one. 6.16. 6.16 meters square. Six point 16, right? So big number. क्या कितना मिला रेडियस? मैंने सही दिया क्वेश्चन. 14. Radius you got 14. You got 196. 1.96 is 1.4. 1.96 is the what radius or
Radius 1.496.
no r square or r r r square will be 1.96. So r will be 1.4. Okay, so 14 is equal to 14. You can do it. You understand? Similar type of question. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. Write down the next question. The circumference The circumference of a circular table. The circumference of a circular table is 88 meter. Find its area. Find its area. एक साल रियल है क्या पेन एक साल का पेन है 6th में पास होने के बाद और एक पेन यस आंसर क्या हो गया इतना टाइम लग रहा है 616 you're getting. Look at this. Circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. Correct? They have given this as 88. So 88 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now this is 1. This is 4. Now this is 2. This is 2. 2 into 7. 14. So radius I got how much? 14 meter. Okay. Now I have to find the area. That is equal to 5r square. That means 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 44 into 14. Tell me the answer quick. 44 into 14. How much?
516. 516.
516. Is it right? 516? 516 or 616?
Yes, 616.
Yeah, it should be 616. Chalo, fine. You see? Next question. The area of the circle is. Jaldi jaldi go. Easy question hai sab. Area of circle is 1386 centimeters square. Find its circumference. Find its circumference. 1386 centimeters square. Find its circumference. Quick. Is anyone getting the answer? How much? Area they have given 1386. So what you will do? Area of see, try to write down the formulas. Don't take shortcuts. I will come and check your notes. Write down stepwise. Area of circle is equal to what? Pi r square. इसका मतलब ये कितना हो गया? 1386 is equal to 22 by 7 into radius आपको पहले ढूंढना है, right? Okay, so if you cross multiply this, that means 1386 into 22 divided by 7 is equal to r square. You have to find this. Sorry, 7 ऊपर आएगा और 22 नीचे आएगा. Okay, अभी इसको कितना मिलेगा आपको? 441 plus 21. That means radius is 21, and you have to find the circumference. So 21, 42, 132 you got. Circumference is equal to 132. Everyone got it? Yes, here Bala and Anisha, are you getting it?
Yes.
Next question. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. इसको कौन है क्लास में ज्वाइन किया है उन्होंने वो ज्वाइन है क्या नहीं मालूम नहीं क्लास में सबको ग्रुप में भेजा अभी एक को यही काम है मेरा सबको भेजो क्लास में
सैनिक स्कूल वाले ग्रुप में डालो ना
he didn't enroll for the class here that's the problem no talking there yeah okay come done better jaldi beta yes what is the area of the shaded region how did you get it first tell me the steps what you did
The diameter of the circle is close to the side of the square, so I calculated the area of the square and this subtract from the area of the circle.
okay sit come inside yeah next Sai yeah Sachin ne kya the area of the circle again area of square area of square के लिए आपको साइड चाहिए ओके इधर देखो सब लोग जिसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा देखो इधर देखो ये है सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये कितना हो गया 7 तो फिर यहाँ से यहाँ कितना होगा 7 okay so total कितना हो गया so can I say this total that is this total is 14 yes or no so can I say 14 is the side can I say 14 is the side okay now this part from here to here this is the radius of the circle what is the radius of the circle you get 7 what is happening there is a square inside square there is a circle I want this part so which is bigger square is bigger or circle is bigger square is bigger so what you are going to do area of square minus area of circle okay what is area of square so side square okay you can write like this side square minus area of circle by r square अभी साइड कितना मिला आपको 14 साइड स्क्वायर कितना होगा 196 now this is 22 by 7 into radius is how much 7 into 7 7 cancel 22 into 7 how much you get 154 so now how much is 196 minus 154
42
so this all these four corners included how much you get 42 yeah that is the area of the shaded region but in exam if they give you only one side what you will do divided by 4 okay if they give you two sides divide by 2 if they give you three sides divide by 3 समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so how many of you got 42? सबको मिला? Good. Now next question is this. This is 2.5. Okay, this radius from this O to P and O to A is 4.5. 4.5. The bigger radius is 4.5. The smaller radius is 2.5. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. बड़ा वाला है 4.5, छोटा वाला है 2.5.
Sir, 2.5, sir.
Yeah, 2.5, 4.5. क्या वो सर्कल लेंगे सर? Yes, Amrita, tell me the answer quick. Yeah, what is the answer you're getting? 40? So, what you have done it? Yes, anyone? Anvita, what you did? Okay. So here, look at this. Look at this. I have to find the area of the shaded region, correct? Yes or no? I have to find the area of the shaded region. So bigger radius. So can I say bigger circle minus this smaller circle, you get the area of the shaded region? Yes? So what will I do? See, how many of you multiplied pi as 22 by 7? How many of you did like this? Idhar dekho. I'll tell you how to save time in exam. Some of you have done like this. Radius, small radius R1 is 2.5 and bigger radius, imagine I take capital R as 4.5. Now what you do? You take like this, pi r square. Matlab iska 22 by 7 into ye kitna ho gaya? 2.5 into 2.5. Next, iska kitna ho gaya? 22 by 7 is equal to 6.2 into 6.25. You did like this? How many of you did like this? Yes, Prashant, you did like this. This is, you are wasting time. Now look at this. You know, area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Yes or no? What is the formula for area of bigger circle? Pi r square. R matlab bigger r minus pi r square. Ye r matlab small r. Now what is common in this? What is common in this? Pi is common. So I take pi common. Look at this. Capital R square minus small r square. Yes or no? दिखता ही नहीं दिख रहा अभी ये देखो मुझे क्या मिलेगा पाई कैपिटल R square minus small r square. Now look at this. I have taught you algebra. It looks like what? A square minus B square. So क्या हो जाता है? Pi into R plus R, R minus R. Now this becomes easy. This is 4.5 plus 2.5 and this is 4.5 minus 2.5. Now this is 22 by 7 into how much you get? 6, 7 and this how much you get? This is 0, 2. Correct? 7, 7 cancel. 2 into 2? 44. I got the answer. This is easy or the method which you did is easy? So remember one thing, look here, look here. In exam, if you get this kind of question, area, surface area, volume, triangles, geometry, you are very, very lucky. Because in this chapter, only formulas are there. If you apply the formula, you apply the data, you get the answer. But if you don't know how to solve, it will take your time. Solidly, one question will take 15 minutes, around say 15 minutes will be consumed in your exam. So this chapter is easy, provided if you don't know this logic. Now tell me, this formula, a square minus b square, is in which chapter? Algebra. I am doing which chapter? Geometry or mensuration. So that's the reason you cannot skip any chapter. If you say that I will not study algebra, I will study only geometry, you are going to waste time. Next question, ready? Okay, take it down. This is the next question. This is this is A, B, C, D, and BC is given as 14 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to consider all the circles are equal. Sub circles same है. Shaded region मत दो इन्हें. 14 was the side BC. Side BC is 14. What to do?
Diameter of the circle is equal to the length.
Okay. Then
Then we can easily find the area.
find out. Find the area of shaded region. मतलब आपको area of shaded region करना है. खाली region को shade करके नहीं बैठना है. I'm not going to give you marks for that shading. 126. Yes, what you did? Okay. Now tell me, in this picture, the circle is bigger in total or the rectangle is bigger? What is bigger? Tell loudly. Rectangle. So what you're going to do? Area of rectangle minus area of how many circles? How many circles? 3 circles. Okay. Now, do you know area of rectangle formula? What is area of rectangle formula? Tell loudly. Length into breadth. What is area of circle formula? Area of circle formula is equal to what? Pi r square.
Pi r square.
Now you check. For circle, do you have pi value with you? 22/7. Do you have radius value with you? Do you have radius of circle with you? You don't have. Okay. So can you find it out? Now look at this. I have given you BC. BC as what? What is the length of BC? Value of BC? 14. That means if I draw a line from here to here, how much is this? How much is this? 14. So if I take half of this, I get 7 this, 7 this. So what is this 7 here? Radius. Did you get the radius of the circle? All the circles are same. How many circles you have? 3. So what you have to do here? 3 into pi into 7 square. Area of circle हो गया? Yes or no? अभी मेरे को क्या ढूंढना है? Area of rectangle. Okay, breadth. They have given this breadth. How much it is? 14. Have they given the length? They haven't given the length. So how to find? Look at this. If this is 14, what is this? Tell loudly. 7. If this is 7, how much is this? 7. See, this is 7, this is 7, this will be 7, again, this will be 7, again, this will be 7, and this will be 7. Now tell me, 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 14. So can I say from here to here, this is the length which I got this? Yes or no? That's it. You got the length, you got the breadth. Find out the area of rectangle. You get some answer. Subtract this to this value. Start doing it. Minus it. How much you got?
Sir, it's 126.
126 is right. How many of you got 126? That's it. 8th standard students are getting okay. AFCAT and CDS, check your level. Shall we move forward now? आगे बढ़ेंगे? चलो. Write down. Put a star mark in your notebook. These are very favorite questions in your examination. Put a star mark. A wire. A wire. When bent in the form of a wire when bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 196 centimeters square. If the same wire is bent to form a circle, find the area of circle. Find the area of circle. Start doing it. We know. Listen to the 308. 616 is wrong. Okay, everyone has taken down this question. It's a different type. Look at this, everyone. Eyes on the screen. So here you have a square, correct? Now what is the area of square they are telling? If you don't answer the question, if you don't participate, nahi samjhega. Samajh mein aaya? Okay, this is not a history class or a language class where you are just listening. Okay, so tell me, what is the area of square given? 196 centimeter square. So what is the area of circle square formula? Side square is equal to what? 196. Now the question is telling that area of square. Okay, there is a wire which I am bending it like this. The same wire I am making it into a. The same wire I am making it into a circle. What is the area of this circle? That is the question. What is the area of this circle? So sometime what happened directly, students will take area of square is equal to area of square is equal to area of circle. Okay, like that. You have to go in this way. Now, if I want to find a side, how much you get side? 196 square root kitna? 14 centimeters. So can I say one side is equal to 14 centimeter? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If this is 14, this is 14, this is 14, and this is 14, what is perimeter of the square? What is the perimeter of the square? 4 into 14, how much you get? 56 centimeter. So now what happens? I am taking this wire. The length of the total wire is how much? Length of the total wire is 56. This total length of the wire I am taking in it, I am making into a circle. समझ में आ रहा है? ये वायर को मैंने कट किया and this wire I am taking into and making into a circle. So what I do now, I have to keep this in mind. Perimeter of circle is equal to circumference of the circle. What is the perimeter I got? 56. What is the circumference? 2 into pi r. That is 22 by 7 into radius. Do you know? Radius, do you know? No. So what is my target? To find the radius. Now just calculate this. Okay. Now tell me, just calculate in your notebook and tell me this, only this value. Now this will be 56 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 is equal to radius. Find it out. You get it in points? Calculate करो, no problem. Calculate लेके calculate करके बताओ मुझे radius. Otherwise, I can keep it simple. Let it be like this. 56 is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so this is 56 by 2 pi. This is my radius. Okay, so look here, everyone. Radius, you will get some, some constant here, some value. What is the ultimate thing that I have to find in question? What they are asking? The area of the Area of what? Circle. What is area of circle formula? Pi r square. What is pi? This is write down pi as it is. Radius. How much it is? 56 by 2 pi into 56 by 2 pi. Now can I cancel pi and pi? Okay. Now imagine this will be 56 into 56 into 4 into 22 into 7. Okay. This will be area of circle. Start finding this, you get the answer. Tell me what is the answer quick. You can try it in calculator. The goal here is that you should be familiar with this kind of question. Favorite question in your examination? Answer.
249.45.
Yes. 249.45 centimeters square is the right answer. You did it? By chance you did it? Yeah. That is the right answer. Sabko samajh mein aaya? Do you want once again to explain? Do you want explanation once again? Look at the explanation. Check how the steps are. Okay, write down next question. Put a star mark once again. Very important question, take down. Find the area of circle. Find the area of circle. Length of whose circumference. Length of whose circumference is equal to the sum of the length of circumferences of circles with radii 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Yes, those who can try, start doing it. Yes, anyone can explain this question? What they are asking? Anvita, can you explain me? क्या दिया है? क्या पूछा है? Yeah. Anyone here? Yes, Aryan, can you guess? सचिन, क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? तुमको पता नहीं क्या पूछा है और ढूंढ रहे क्या हो? You don't know what's been asked. Huh? Each radius. Okay, radius they are asking. Then yeah, anyone else? Anyone else? Shreya, did you understand what they are asking? Yeah.
I don't know if it's correct or not. I can.
Okay. What is the meaning of circumference? Tell me, everyone. Circumference means what? Sure, इधर देखो. Circumference मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, मेरे पास दो सर्कल. कितना सर्कल है? दो. ये एक सर्कल है और ये एक सर्कल. ये सर्कल का रेडियस है 15 और ये सर्कल का रेडियस है 13. 15 सेंटीमीटर एंड 13 सेंटीमीटर. कितना सर्कल है मेरे पास? दो. Now the question they are telling, ये जो circumference है, this circumference I take. Next, this circumference I take, I add it. So what I get? A very lengthy circumference. That I make it into a circle. So I will get a smaller circle or bigger circle. Idea clear? That is what they are telling. If I add the circumferences, look at the sentence in your question. If I add the circumferences of the circle whose radii are 15 and 13, I get a very big circle here. Do you understand? I get a very big circle here. What is the area of the circle they are asking? What is the area of this circle? Are you all understanding? Now look here. So what are you, do you agree with me that circumference of this plus circumference of this is equal to circumference of the bigger circle? Circumference of the bigger circle. So what I do? Circumference of the bigger circle C is equal to circumference of this circle is C1. Circumference of this circle is C2. Yes or no? Okay. But the goal here is not to find the circumference, to find the area. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Do you know the radius? Do you know the radius of this bigger circle? You don't know. So first, what should I find? Radius. Now, what is the formula for circumference of this circle? 2 pi r. So I am going to first find the radius, then find the area. Now look at this. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. You have to substitute here. Radius of this first circle is 15. Radius of the second circle is 30. Everyone will start doing and tell me what is the total circumference. Start doing it. I want the total circumference of both circles. Answer.
176.
1. Okay. What is the answer, guys? Tell me quickly. कितना टाइम लग रहा है? जब मैं बोलूंगा तब कैसे यूज करूं? Okay, look here. See, once again, you are doing the same mistake. Circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. What is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. Here R1 is 15 and R2 is how much? 13. What is common here? Take common 2 pi outside. Now 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13, how much you get? Yeah, 28. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 28, this is 4. 4 2s are 8. 22 into 8, how much you get? 156. No, 176. 176. That's it. Circumference of the bigger circle is how much? 176. Now look here, pens down. अभी इसका formula क्या होगा? 2 pi r is equal to 176. From here, what I'm going to get? Radius. Okay. So radius is equal to 176 into, this is 7. This is 2 into 22. Correct? Now imagine 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are, this is 11 2s are, 11 4s are, 14. Radius is how much? 14. The radius of the bigger circle is 14. Can you tell me what is the area? Pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into 196. That means 14 into 14, 28. Tell me the answer to 22 into 28, how much? 14, right? Yeah, answer is 616. That's it. क्या हो गया? Circle, very easy chapter. Those who decided to skip algebra, by this time you will be deciding, let's go back to algebra. है ना? चलो, put a star mark. Next question. Put a star mark. Very important. The radius of a circular wheel is, the radius of the circular wheel. The radius of the circular wheel is 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter. Find the distance traveled by it. Find the distance traveled by it. Question number 1. Question number 1. In 1 revolution, in 50 revolution, and in 100 revolution. And then write down 4th one, 200 also. A wheel is rotating. In 1 revolution, how much distance it traveled? Then you have to find out 50, 100 and 200. Yes, why so much time? Yes, how much you got?
First, 264 centimeters.
264. एक मिनट check करता हूँ. Question number क्या था ये? 264 correct है, but उस okay, correct. 264. कितना मिला फिर हमको?
First वाला 264, second वाला 13200, third वाला 26400 और fourth वाला 5280.
528, correct. All the answers are right. Very good. बताओ. Yes, Anisha, you got the right answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me why others are not getting. Look here. What's the logic? What is the data given? They have told. Tell me the radius of a circular wheel. This is the wheel. What is the radius? You will never get maths unless you don't answer the silly questions which I am asking on the board. समझ में आ रहा है? ये अगर तुम खाली तमाशा देखते रहोगे ना यहाँ पे, this is not a movie released by Vijay. You understand? विजय का नया मूवी रिलीज हुआ ना, एक मिनट, विजय का नया मूवी रिलीज हुआ है ना, कौन सा? लियो। तुम लियो में जाओ, पैसा डाल के 3 घंटा के लिए 500 रुपया, 500 rupees you pay, full focus will be on the screen. I have paid 500 only for 3 hours. I am afraid whether the movie is good or bad. My favorite hero is there, singer is there, actor is there, actress is going to dance. Full focus है. Okay, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. First of all, you are doing a subject which you hate. Maths person, I don't like maths, I don't understand. Now I am asking you simply a silly question, you are not answering, just sitting here now. समझ में आया? Yeah, what is the data given? Tell me here for the first line. The radius of the circular wheel. What is the radius given here? 42. Okay, find the distance traveled. Always keep one thing in mind. Okay, for your whole life, you can say, or your examination. This is a wheel. Okay, if I cut this wire, imagining this, if I cut it and I elongate it, what do you get?
Circumference.
Okay, I cut this wire and elongate it, I get the length of the wire, correct? I get the length of the wire. That means I have to target what? Circumference. I have to target what? Whatever you get the circumference answer, that is one rotation. What is that? One rotation. Abhi dekho, ye road hai. Imagine this is road. And here there is a wheel. And here there is a point A. Okay, I'm rotating this. Okay, I'm rotating this like this. So the wheel came here. Again, the point is here. That means this circumference length. Okay, circumference is equal to the distance traveled. Keep this logic in your mind. Circumference is equal to distance traveled. Now, can we find the circumference here? What is this? 2 pi r. This is 2 into 22 by 7 into 42. This is 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 22, how much you get? 264. This is meter. That means in one revolution, the wheel is going how much distance? How much distance? I did here, everyone. So if one revolution is 264, 50 revolution matlab? This into 50. 100 matlab? Into 100. 200 into 200. 1000? Easy. Do you all understand? Yeah. Do you want me to give the solutions or you're going to do it? Fine. Now, next, who will tell me the formula for speed? What is the formula for speed?
Distance by time.
Everyone knows this? Distance by time taken. Yes or no? Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Now, let us do geometry or mensuration, the circle chapter. And the question is regarding speed. Write down. Question number, next question, you can put a star mark. This is also important. A bicycle wheel diameter 56 centimeter. A bicycle wheel. How many questions we did till now? 10. Okay. A bicycle wheel diameter 56 centimeter is making 45 revolutions in every 10 seconds. In every 10 seconds.
Bicycle wheel is
Diameter 56 centimeter. A bicycle wheel diameter 56 centimeter is making 45 revolutions in every 10 seconds. In every 10 seconds. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour of the bicycle. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour of the bicycle. Yeah, answer. कितना मिनट? Question number. Yeah, how much you got? Okay, look here. I'm going to use a formula that is what? Speed. Let me see whether it is useful or not. Otherwise, without formula, we ask distance covered by time taken. The question is specifically demanding that the speed should be in what? Kilometer per hour. So first you should write what is given in your question. The diameter of the wheel is given. How much it is? How much it is? 56 centimeter. If I want to find the radius, can I say it is half of this diameter? So how much you get? 28 centimeter is the radius. Okay, so keep this in mind. Okay, next, what data they have given? The wheel make how many revolutions? 45 revolutions in how many seconds?
10 seconds.
In 10 seconds, the wheel is going how many? 45 times. That is a thing they have given. So first I have to find the circumference. First, what I have to find here? Circumference. What is the formula for circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 by r. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 7 ones are 7 fours are 4 into 2 8. 176. Is it centimeter or meter? What they are given? Diameter is okay, centimeter. So this is centimeter. This is what? Centimeter. I want to convert this into meter. Centi means what I do? 176 divided by 100. This is meter. Correct? This is meter. So what happens here? 1.76 meter in one revolution. In one revolution, the wheel is rotating how much? 1.76. Do you all understand? 1.76 meter. Now the data was 45 revolution in how many seconds? 45 revolution in how many seconds? So can you tell me, in one revolution it is 1.76. So 45 revolution is how much? Calculate. What you will do here first? What you will do here? 1.76 into 45. How much you get? You can use calcium. Now I can give you 79.20 meter. Correct? No. 79.20 meter in how many seconds? 10 seconds. But the question now, this is the distance traveled. Correct? No. This is the distance traveled. What is the formula for speed? Distance traveled by time taken. I want to find the total distance traveled in how many hours? 1 hour. So now tell me, in 1 minute, how many seconds? 60 seconds. In 1 minute, how many seconds? 60 seconds. In 1 hour, how many seconds? 3600. So what is the logic here? Okay. Now, the thing is, 79.20 meter is traveled in how many seconds? 10 seconds. In how many seconds? 10 seconds. So what is the distance traveled in 3600 seconds? Okay, I have to calculate this. So if you multiply 79.20 into 3600 divided by 10 is equal to x. So this is I get for 1 hour. 0, 0 cancel. Now use your calculation. Tell me 79.20 into 360. How much you get? $79. Yeah. Look at this. How much? 28,512 नहीं पॉइंट पे पॉइंट किधर है 285 285.12 meter. That means in 1 hour the distance is this is meter per hour, correct? Now convert this into kilometer. How much you get? 1 minute. उसको ये मीटर है ना, अगर ये इसको किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया तो 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 79.2 meter is equal to how many kilometers? So you can take like this 79.2 divided by 1000, correct? 0.0792 kilometer, correct? Now multiply this 0.0792 into 360 multiply this 28 point. So now what happens? I get an answer. Just a minute. The answer is 28.512 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the bicycle. You all understand? Let me check whether this is right. 20D14. .512 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Okay, start doing by yourself. At least write down the steps. अब समझ में आ रहा है? This is the level of your questions in your exam. You have to convert. We are doing circle chapter. I have told you circle में क्या formulas आएंगे? Pi r square, area of circle, circumference, 2 pi r, diameter is equal to 2r. बस इतना ही मैंने बताया था, right ना? But here देखो, speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Then you have to convert meter into kilometer. Okay, all these things. This is the answer. Okay, Sabika, you got the answer right? So, shall we move forward now? I'll give you this PDF in WhatsApp. I'll give you this PDF. If you don't get it, you can refer it later. Right now, next question. Before this, let us revise the formula. What is volume of cube? Sine cube. What is volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Okay, what is total surface area of cube? 6 into side square. Total surface area of cuboid. Question number 1. Take it down. The length, breadth, and height. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 6:4:5. 6:5:4. 5:4. If its volume is 15,000 centimeter cube, find its dimension, and second, surface area. Now, क्या हुआ? मिड टर्म के बाद क्या हो गया? After midterm exams, you are blank.
Sir, length,
How much?
750.
Length is 750.
Length 625
625.
and height 500.
750.
So 625 and 500.
Wrong. दोनों कर रहा हूँ. Yeah. Yes. Length is 30 is correct. 30 centimeter.
Length is 20 and height 24. Length is 20 and height
24 and 25. Check.
24.
25. 30, 25 and 20. Is it right? Okay, look how to solve this. Idhar dekho sab log. What is given in the question? Tell me first. What is given in the question? हाँ, परमेश क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? Length, breadth, and height. They haven't given the length, breadth, and height. They have given the ratio. They have given what? Ratio. 6:5:4. ये है ratio. समझ में आया? और volume of the cuboid is given how much? 15,000 centimeter cube. I don't know what is the exact length. I don't know what is the exact breadth. I don't know what is the exact height. So let that be x. समझ में आया? So now what happens? I take the length as 6x. This is 5x, and this is 4x. Now what is the volume of cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now, what is the data given here? How much they have given here? 15,000 is equal to, can I say 6x into 5x into 4x? Now, 6, 5 and 4, it comes here. That means 15,000 divided by, how much you get?
120.
Let it keep it simple. एक minute. देखो ऐसे बड़ा number को, okay, like this bigger number, try to keep it simple. Okay, 15,000, I can write it as 15 into 1,000, correct? 15 into 1,000. Now this 6, I take it down. This 5, I take it down. And this 4, I take it here. Now tell me, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. 2 ones are, what is half of 1,000? 500. So you get what? 500 by 4. Now this 4, I can do it like this. 500, 2 into 2 can I do? Can I do 2 into 2? Now tell me, what is 500 ka half? 500 का हाफ कितना हो गया? 250. 250 का हाफ कितना हो गया? 125. What do you get? 125. That means look at this. X into x into x. What is the formula for 8 to the power of m into 8 to the power of n? 8 to the power of m plus n. X के ऊपर इधर 1 है, इधर 1 है, इधर 1 है. तो क्या हो जाता है? X 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much you get? X to the power of 3. So can I say 125 is equal to x to the power of 3? Can I say it? Can I do it like this? Yes or no? Okay. So now I have to find the cube root. Okay. Now I have to find like this. Find the cube root of 125 and cube root of x. What is the cube root of 125? 5. So what is the x value I get? I got x value as 5. That means I know the question they have given length, breadth and height 6x, 5x and 4x. Now put this x value into this. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 4, 20. So length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 25 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. You understand? I get the first question, the dimension. Second question, they are asking the surface area. What is the formula for surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula. So I gave you the values of length, breadth and height, put it into this and find the answer. You got the answer. सही? मेरे पहले length breadth मिला या फिर अभी मिला? So you can say ratio and proportion and volume chapter integrated. खाली क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा है आज. Yes, shall we move forward? Next question. This is very easy chapters. Okay, we are doing very easy chapters. If you're not understanding, ask me once again. Correct. 3700 what? Centimeter square. Area will be always in square. I told you quadratic equation. Okay, याद रखो. इनको मिला? Okay, आगे चले हम. Next question. Next question. The total surface area of cube is 294 centimeters square. Find its volume. Find its volume. Tomorrow there will be surprise test in maths. So how many of you will come? सच्ची देखेंगे. अभी से बीमारी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. The virus and bacteria will start attacking you. क्या? पहले फॉर्मूला लिखो, आ जाएगा आंसर. आपको क्या दिया है? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब दिया है. It is not cube or it is cube. Write out the formula for total surface area of cube and start solving it. Yeah, 3. Correct. Already answer is done. Your answer तो आ गया है. क्या हुआ? टीम ऊपर जा रहा है. वही पूरा टीम जा रहा होगा.
No, sir. I used to
मैथ्स में जाते हैं. वो लोग छोटे हैं. Yeah. What is given here? Tell me everyone. What is this? Total surface area of what? Okay, tell me the formula for total surface area of cube. Tell loudly. 6 into side square. This we have to find. This they have given. That means total surface they have given. That means 294 is equal to 6 into this is side square. So now what happens? 294 divided by 6 is equal to side square. Now if you reduce this, how much you get? 294 divided by 6 कितना मिलेगा? 40. Yeah, 49 is equal to side square. Take the square root on both sides. You got side as 7. But in question they are asking what? Volume of cube. What is the formula for volume of cube? Side cube. Okay, so 7 का cube कितना हो गया? 343. I have told you in my previous classes, cube from 1 to 10 you have to by heart. Okay, those who try for banking and other higher service, they will by heart 1 to 30 cubes and 1 to 50 squares. And tables they will learn from 1 to 70 or 80. Okay, like this 70 into 7 कितना हो गया, 70 into 8 कितना हो गया, ये सब learn करेंगे. तब जाके तुम्हारा मैथ्स फास्ट होगा. चलो, second question done. Third question take it down. Put a star mark. Important. A rectangular solid. A rectangular solid of metal has dimensions 50 centimeter, 64 centimeter and 72 centimeter. It is melted it is melted and recasted into identical cubes, each with edge 4 centimeter. Find the number of cubes formed. Find the number of cubes formed. Start doing it. I've explained to you before. Here. Before doing it, can anyone explain me what you are going to do?
Sir, वो उसका volume और figure का volume divide करें.
Okay, good. Try करो. तो फिर अविरल का आंसर आना चाहिए. जल्दी करो.
Sir, 3,600.
Yeah, it's correct. क्या होगा तुम्हारे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड और एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड एक से तुम्हारे साथ गया था ना?
Sir, please, sir,
हाँ वैदिक उसको छोड़ दिया है. पकड़ के लेके गया कोई.
three people went to your guest and they came back. Then he took.
They went to save this Suraj. I think he got stuck up there. उसको बचाने के लिए गए. Okay. It's very easy question. See, before doing this, understand the logic. Imagine ice cream or how many of you tasted kulfi? Kulfi कौन सा shape में होता है? Cone shape में होता है, ठीक है? Okay, cone ice cream. Suppose मैंने आपको ऐसे पूछा, look here. Okay, I am asking you a question. That imagine this vanilla ice cream. Okay, ये ऊपर वाला था. Okay, just check this one. Okay, and can I make this ऊपर जो sphere है, ये जो football, round shape जैसा है, can I make into a different shape? I can make it into any shape. So to make it, I have to little bit melt it. Correct? I have to melt it. So whenever I am going to melt something, this is your keyword. In question, you have to search what? A word that is melt. Now look at this question, what they have given in the first sentence. A metal sphere is? It is melted and recasted into something else. देखो इधर देखो. Whenever you see a word that is melt, you will try to find the volume. You will try to find the volume. Look at this now. What is happening? Eyes on the screen, everyone. So here there is a metal length they have given, breadth they have given, height they have given. Okay. This cuboid they have melted and they have made small cubes. They have made what? Now all these cubes, the dimensions are same, 4, 4, 4, 4. So how many cubes you made? So in this kind of question, you have to take the volume of this divided by volume of this. You understand? समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? Okay, now tell me what are the data given? Length, breadth and height. So what happens? Volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. Okay, 50 and 72 divided by volume of cube. How many cubes you got? Yeah, I don't know how many cubes. So, but what is the volume of cube? Side cube. That means what? Side 4 into 4 into 4. When you solve this, how much you get? 3,600. That means when I melted the bigger one, I get smaller 4 centimeter. Matlab this 4, this 4, this 4. How many pieces I got? 3,600. How many pieces I got? 3,600. You understand? Okay, so this is one more favorite area where the examiner is going to ask you the questions. समझ में आया? Next question, take it down. Everyone got the answer? Parmesh, Sachin, Prashant, Dharneet, yeah, take it down. 3 cubes. 3 cubes. 3 cubes, each of edge 8 centimeter, are joined. Find the total surface area. And volume. Find the total surface area and the volume if the side of each cube is 8 centimeter. If the side of each cube is 8 centimeter. मैंने लिखा? ठीक है, okay, fine. चलो, okay, ये cancel कर देना. Got the answer? How much you got?
So volume 500.
Volume?
500.
Wrong.
512.
512. What you did? 8 cube you took. 8 cube कितना मिला?
512.
Wrong. कितना? 256 का स्क्वायर. क्यों? 24 का स्क्वायर.
इसका स्क्वायर 69.
16 कैसे आएगा? वॉल्यूम तो डबल ट्रिपल होगा ना. ओके. देखो मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, उसके बाद तुम लोग सॉल्व करो. इधर देखो सब लोग. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? फर्स्ट व्हाट दे हैव गिवन हियर. व्हाट दे हैव गिवन? 3 क्यूब्स. ओके. सभी क्यूब्स एक है, मतलब दे ऑल आर लाइक दिस. दिस इज क्यूब नंबर 1. दिस इज क्यूब नंबर 2. And this is cube number 3. You all understand? How many cubes I have now? 3. Okay, so this statement is over. Each edge is how much? 8. This is 8. This is 8. They are joined. So join किया तो आपको कैसा मिलेगा? What you get? Yeah, when you join this 3 cuboid, okay, cube 1, cube 2, cube 3. Okay, this cuboid will be like this, correct? So this will be 8, 8, 8. This breadth will be 8. Height will be 8. There is no change in height. The height will remain the same. Backside, the breadth will also be the same. What happens to the length? 8 plus 8 plus 8, you get how much? 24. So here what happens? This becomes a cuboid. Length is 24, breadth is 8, and height is 8. Now what they are asking you to find the volume and the total surface area. Now can you find it? Volume and the total surface areas. First doing it.
Total surface area
540 centimeters.
Wrong.
640 centimeters.
Wrong. सही से मल्टीप्लाई करो. गलत हो गया तो बैठना नहीं, आएगा तुमको सही से आएगा. 24 into 64 करो, आंसर मिल जाएगा.
$1,536.
What is that?
Volume.
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो वो क्या हो जाता है? एरिया हो जाता है, वॉल्यूम हो जाता है. वॉल्यूम. Now tell me total surface area.
So 696.
Yeah. Total surface area of this length is given, breadth is given, height is given. वो वॉल्यूम है. यस उत्तम, क्या हो गया? हमारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ऊपर ही है. क्या हो गया? नजदीक आ गया. कभी ठीक है, ठीक है. Yes, 896 is correct. 896 is the total surface area and the volume is 1536 centimeter cube. Next. Ready for the next question, everyone? Take it down. Let me see who does this. I have already done this question just now. A solid cube of edge. Don't disturb me. A solid cube of edge 14 centimeter is melted down. Write down the question. A solid cube of edge 14 centimeter 14 centimeter is melted down and recast into smaller and equal cubes, each of edge 2 centimeter, Find the number of smaller cubes obtained. Those who finish, raise your hand. I'll come and check your answers. Don't stand here, Vaidik. इधर कोई है? वो मंदिर के सामने मत खड़ा रहो, दूर हो जाओ, लग जाएगा. क्या हो गया? Wait, owner will. I'll send the owner. Wait, stand there.
Sir, 343 cubes.
Yeah.
343 cubes. It asks.
21A, and I gave you question number 10. Sachin को कितना मिला? Prashant Amuchi got 340. How many of you got 343?
Yes, sir.
That is the right answer. Did you understand? Whenever you see a word that is melt, what you are going to do? You have to find the volume. Now in the higher classes, देखो, I have given you cube and cuboid. In now the higher mathematics, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, sphere. Okay, what will happen if I melt the sphere and I get the cone? What is the height they will ask you? What is the slant height they will ask you? Now when you are doing slant height, imagine if this is the cone, okay, and this is the height, this is the radius. So this L is called as slant height. What kind of triangle you can see in the center? What kind of triangle? This is L, this is H, this is R. So what theorem can you apply here? Pythagoras theorem. So now you will save your time in your exam if you know the triplets. If you don't know the triplets, once again hypotenuse square, one side square, other side square. Okay, once again you have to waste your time. समझ में आया? Fine. This is your easy level. Now let me give you a feel of how the exam questions are. Ready? Okay, come a higher level examination question. It will be like this. What is this? What is this? A cone. Now the question will be, I cut this cone. Okay, so now the cone looks like this. Correct? Now the cone look like this. The moment you cut anything, cylinder, cone, sphere, that is called as frustum. This is the frustum of the cone, frustum of the cylinder, like that. Now what happens in exam? They will give you only this height. You have to find the area of this upper region. समझ में आया? So what we are doing now, it's nothing. जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी, we are just taking, before yoga you try to take deep breath, no? Before going to ground, warming up, you try to take deep breath, inhale, exhale. That is what we have done till now. Tomorrow also we'll do pranayama, that is inhale and exhale. And when I feel that, okay, my students are ready to take some classes of the real mathematics, then I'll take you to the real class. So much bad? Fine, we can leave now.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.